This is how to change property type in Google Search Console. From your dashboard, we will add a property type. So if your property type is domain, and if you want to change it to URL prefix, just go to this drop down menu and we will add a property. So we will change this domain property to URL prefix. So we will add a property, choose URL prefix. So we will add https forward slash and just click continue. Then go to property. You will go to settings and go to ownership verification. Then we will add a meta tag. So we'll just choose this one so that it will remain verified. So we'll just copy this one. Go to your WordPress and we will edit our theme header. So I have here theme header and we will add this inside the head. So we'll just paste it here and we will update the file. We'll go back to Search Console and we will click verify. And to avoid any conflict, we will remove the domain property. So go to settings and scroll down, remove property, and just click remove property. So this is how to change a property type in Google Search Console.